Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up in SOFI app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have downloaded SOFI, and once you open it you will be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can find sign up and login option just down below, where you simply need to tap on sign up option. And once you tap on it, you'll be redirected to official sign up page of SOFI, where it is asking us for our email address and our password. So let me show you an example. So yeah, once your credential is complete, click to sign up and you'll be able to create your account in SOFI. And you can also sign up with Facebook, Google and Apple's on in the screen. So basically this is how you can sign up in SOFI app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.